Hello everyone. Today we will discuss an important biochemical justification regarding why ammonia is toxic to animal. So before we start, let us see some of the important sources of ammonia in our body. As you can see in this diagram, an important source for ammonia or nitrogen in our body is amino acid that are derived from digestion absorption of the dietary proteins or degradation of the cellular proteins. So the first step in the catabolism of amino acid is the removal of this alpha amino group from the amino acids, and this can be done by the transamination reactions. So as the receiver is always the alpha ketoglutarate, which receives the alpha amino group and it is converted to form a glutamic acid by the enzyme transaminase. So glutamic acid is further oxidatively deaminated to form ammonia by the enzyme glutamate dehydrogenase, which is only present in the liver. Another important source of ammonia that is produced in the muscle and other tissues. So ammonia which are formed there is trapped into the glutamic acid and form a glutamine. So glutamine transport ammonia into the bloodstream. But how this conversion takes place, let us see. Glutamic acid receives the ammonia in the presence of the enzyme or by the action of the enzyme glutamic acid synthetase. The synthetase requires adenosine triphosphate energy, so that glutamic acid is converted to now glutamine, which is further transported into the liver, and in the liver mitochondria by the action of the enzyme glutaminase, the glutamine is converted to glutamic acid, and this is shown in this diagram. Another important source is the glucose alanine cycles that is there in the muscles. So alanine is transported into the liver and it is transaminated to form a pyruvic acid and glutamic acid. So further glutamic acid is oxidatively deaminated to form ammonia. Another source is the bacterial action in the intestine by the enzyme urease that will form ammonia and it is transported into liver. Another source is purine pyrimidine catabolism will also form the ammonia, which is further excreted in the form of uric or uric acid. So these are some of the important sources of ammonia in our body. Now let us understand why high ammonia is toxic to the brain. So as we have discussed in the previous slide, that the ammonia is trapped into the glutamic acid to form glutamine. So high ammonia level favors this reaction of glutamic acid conversion to the glutamine by the enzyme glutamine synthetase. So the outcome is there is decreased glutamic acid level. So the first consequences of this decreased glutamic acid is that will lead to decrease the formation of gamma aminobutyric acid. Why? Because the glutamic acid under decarboxylation reaction to form gamma aminobutyric acid. So decreased formation of GABA, as GABA is an inhibitory neurotransmitter, it will lead to the conversions. Another consequences of decreased glutamic acid level that will lead to the reversal of the reaction catalyzed by the glutamic dehydrogenase. So as there is a reversal, there is more conversion of alpha ketoglutarate to form glutamic acid. So more alpha ketoglutarate is utilized, so alpha ketoglutarate level is decreased, which is an important intermediate of the TCA cycle, so that the level of energy is decreased, ATP is not produced sufficiently, so outcome is decreased energy level. Another consequences here is there is increased glutamine level by favoring of this reaction, and as glutamine is osmotically active, it will lead to osmotically damage to the neurons, and the consequence is the coma. So favoring of this reaction and reversal of these oxidative deamination reactions is the main reason behind why ammonia is toxic to brain. So thank you everyone. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all.